Today we're going to have a look at prepositions of time in British English and then do some practice. These are words we use when we talk about a specific time. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. We use at for particular points in time, day, and in the week.
Okay, see you at 5 o'clock then. Bye.
Don't forget, lunch is at 12:30. We use at to talk about celebrations and festivals.
At the New Year, millions of people visit their families.
We never go shopping at Christmas because it's crowded. We use at with some common time expressions like at the weekend and at night. I usually eat dinner at night. We use on with days of the week and dates.
I need to go to Bogota on Friday.
Museums are often closed on Mondays.
My birthday is on January 26th.
Coldplay concert was on April 13th. Best night ever. Use in for months. January, February, March.
The final exam is in November.
We usually travel in August or September. Use in for years.
I took this picture in 2019.
I was born in 1996. Use in for seasons. Winter, autumn, spring, summer.
I like to drink hot chocolate in the winter.
We go to a camp in the summer when it's sunny and we can swim. We use in to talk about periods of time in history, like centuries and decades.
Antonio Meucci invented the telephone in the 19th century.
David Bowie was really popular in the 70s. Use in for parts of the day. Morning, afternoon, evening.
What about a cup of coffee in the morning?
Oh, I have to study in the afternoon. Watch my friend describe her week and complete the sentences on the screen with in, at, or on. Pause the video to give you time to think about your answer.
I usually wake up 8 a.m. But on Saturdays, I wake up late and have brunch. I normally study from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., but this week is a little different because I'm going on a trip Friday. I'm excited because I'll visit my cousin. The last time I saw her was 2016. We used to visit each other every year for Christmas, but then she moved to Poland. I will fly there October 2nd for her birthday. I can't wait.
Did you get all the answers right? Let me know in the comments. Keep practicing and watching more videos on the channel. And why not watching my video on telling the time? Link is in the description below. Bye!